It is 6:48.
Like it never happened, right?
I was going to say, don't tuck away that rain gear just yet. But
Yeah.
yeah, Rob, it is wild what just a couple hours can do.
Yeah, you get these big complexes of thunderstorms that develop hours and hours previously. You go back to Mississippi last night. That's what moved through in the overnight hours, but those are fast movers, and it's really started to kind of dissipate just in the last 2 hours. So we're back to blue skies, temperatures near 70. And with all the sunshine heading through the rest of this morning, it's just going to allow for another round of storms. And we continue to kind of repeat that pattern every single day into your Wednesday, your Thursday, likely your Friday. So not only are we concerned about the damaging winds with some stronger thunderstorms, but just additional rainfall. That brings that flood threat, even some flash flooding possibilities for parts of North Alabama. On the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, this animation is over the last hour, and this is pretty much what's left of that line of storms. It was pretty strong as it moved in just after midnight last night through the overnight hours. But you'll notice still seeing some pockets of some moderate to heavy rainfall, just clearing Fort Payne in the last 15 minutes and clipping parts of Henniger Mentone as it moves to the northeast into Georgia. And that will clear out DeKalb County and Jackson County, and we're back to sunshine. But we're already keeping a close eye on this next complex of thunderstorms developing, just crossing over the Mississippi River. Expected to slow down some here in the next couple of hours, so it still has ways to go before it moves in to parts of northwest Alabama. But that brings that damaging wind threat, but additional heavy rainfall on top of what we've already seen. So we're going to continue to watch for that flood threat for all parts of North Alabama. Future radar and satellite. This is 8 o'clock this morning. We're seeing some cloud cover, but dry conditions. Then by about 2 o'clock this afternoon, that's that line of storms right there, just about to move into Lauderdale and Colbert County. Damaging winds possible on that front edge of the storms moving in. And you'll notice by the time it reaches about Athens and Decatur, it starts to weaken and fall apart. And that kind of lines up with that severe threat mostly towards the Mississippi state line. Still seeing that heavy rain, gusty winds moving right over top of Huntsville, Scottsboro, and Guntersville, closer to about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock this evening, and that's still going to produce some heavy rainfall. Then we head through the overnight hours and into your Wednesday morning, and we go through the process again. Scattered showers and storms developing by the early afternoon hours. Heavy rainfall, lightning, and gusty winds, and we'll continue to see that chance into your Thursday and Friday. So your 7-day forecast, temperatures kind of hovering right around the low to mid 80s. Could see a few isolated spots make it up to the upper 80s, areas that see a little bit more sun than others. And we're going to keep those rain chances at about 50 to 60% every single day, all the way through Friday. And then the chances do drop off some by Saturday, Sunday, into Monday. But with less storms through this weekend and into early next week, we'll start to see better chances of touching 90. So it's just going to be hot and muggy, even heading into this weekend and next work week. This is a concern. Look at the rainfall forecast all the way through Saturday, through the next 5 days. 3 to 4 inches of rain as you get closer to the oranges on the map. And then even for the purples on the map, that's 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. And then closer to about 1 to 2 inches of rain for Guntersville and Fort Payne. So a lot of rain. And you can just see that here Thursday and Friday. We continue to see one round of storms after another for North Alabama.